Hey everyone, and welcome to the Webtogs gear review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the North Face Tanken short. So let's talk about the key features. So there are a couple of cool, quirky features. So first off, it features a flash dry technology. So these aren't water repellent in any way, but if you do get wet, whether that's from a light rain or from your own sweat, should we say, if you're doing a bit of fast-paced hiking, these trousers, or shorts should I say, will dry super quick, which is just awesome. They're also covered in micro ripstop material, which means a couple of things. It means the fabric itself is nice and lightweight, but they're also super durable. So say if you do snag it, you snag the short on something and it tears, say, within 4 of those ripstop materials, or ripstop squares, should we say, that tear, no matter what sort of pressure you put on it, will stay within those squares, which is really cool. And as I say, that's a micro, so it's not like massive blocks or squares of ripstop, it's micro. So when you look at it closely, you'll see those little squares on there, which means, again, it's more durable, and also as well, it just means you can put the short through its paces, which is really cool. Anyway, enough of the technical key features. Let's take a look at the short itself. So it's a pair of shorts, really. You've got a nice traditional buckle. Again, that's a buckle, button on the top there. That's just a generic popper. Pockets themselves, again, as you probably already know, I've got large to extra large hands, and they fit in there nicely as well. Pockets themselves are mesh lined, so the breathability factor kicks in. So if you are after a pair of shorts in hotter climates, this is definitely something to consider. You also have a secure pocket on the right-hand side. Open that up, and again, space-wise, it's big enough for maybe a pair of keys, maybe a mobile phone or your GPS system. But again, whatever you pop in there, once you zip it up, it will stay safe and secure. And that's basically the gist of the actual short itself. What you will notice, it does have a slightly longer cut to it than maybe traditional, so this probably should just go over just to the top part of your knee, not anything shorter than that. On the back though, we've got a pretty cool feature, which is the self-elastication. So rather than the elastication being 360 all around the actual short itself, North Face have just implemented that on the back there. So the actual back itself means it's going to snugly fit you, but it's not going to be too tight. It's going to react to your body movements, and you know, if you have a lunch on the way, you know, sometimes your tummy might expand a little bit. It just means even though there's no elastication on the front there, you still have that flexibility, which is really good, and it means it's going to be comfortable all the way throughout your day, throughout your adventure, whether you're going for a weekend hike just for the day, or you know, you're backpacking as well. You know, basically it just ticks all the boxes. The liner on the actual waistband itself is super soft against the skin as well, so you're not going to get any irritation from there. But other than that, the back is basically pretty simple. There's no back pockets or anything. All the pockets are on the front there, again with that secure pocket. But to be honest with you, that's probably a good thing. You don't want to, you know, fill your pockets too much when it comes to wearing a nice pair of shorts. So who are these shorts for? Well, funnily enough, if you're going to be going hiking in hotter climates, you want something that's quick drying, that is breathable, and that can stand the test of time with the additional comfort thanks to the elastication. These are perfect for you. They're nice and lightweight. Again, the way that they're designed, it just means it's great for the active user. So whether you're going to be doing some long distance hiking in hot climates, maybe even some backpacking, so you know, if you're going to be doing some trail running or fast-paced hiking, these shorts will be suited for you. And as I say, that's pretty much it. There's not much to say about them. They do exactly what they say in the tin, but they are a good pair of shorts. If you want to find out more information on them, just head over to webtogs.com or click on the link that is pinned in the description below. And whilst you're over there, you'll notice a really cool initiative that we're doing. So every order that is placed through our website, webtogs.com, we are going to plant a tree, which is awesome. That is an awesome initiative, and we're so proud that we're doing that. But also, not a lot of people know this, but our warehouse is super eco-friendly. It's one of the most eco-friendly warehouses. I think it is the most eco-friendly warehouse in the UK, one of them in in Europe, and one of the most leading eco-friendly warehouses in the entire world. So much so, we've got our carbon emissions down to 93.5%. Now, that within itself is fantastic. And then also the tree initiative is fantastic, but bringing them together actually does something special, which not a lot of other hiking retailers can actually do, which is that one tree that will be placed based on your order through webtogs.com actually eliminates the carbon footprint of 3 other Webtog orders, and that's purely for the fact, like I said, we've got our carbon emissions down by 93.5% as of recording. So yeah, that one tree wipes out the carbon emissions of 3 other Webtog orders, which is just fantastic. Anyway, if you want to find out more about our Place an Order Plant a Tree initiative, again, there's going to be a link to that pinned in the comments below. I'm going to stop waffling on now. Thanks for watching and happy trails.